In British civil engineering, a banksman is the person who directs the operation of a crane, a larger vehicle, from the point near where loads are attached and detached. The term dogman may be used in Australia and New Zealand, while spotter is the more common term in United States. Contemporary crane and large vehicle drivers do not always have clear visibility of the loading area, especially when tower cranes are employed. The banksman is in charge of the crane movements from the point of loading and unloading. They may use a system of hand signals or a radio link. A banksman may also be responsible for directing the movement and loading, unloading of lorries, or directing the movement of other plant. A banksman may also control the movements of an excavator by carefully monitoring the bucket for any obstructions or underground services. Usage timeline: 1825. The man stationed at the bank atop of a pit who unhooked and emptied the laden corves 1. into carts or wagons from a frame or stage. 1849. The man who drew the full tubs from the cages at the surface when wound up by the engine, and replaced them with empty ones. He also put the full tubs to the weighing machine, and thence to the screens, upon which he teamed the coals. It was also his duty to keep an account of the quantity of coals and stones drawn each day. 1894. Person who controlled the unloading and loading of the cage at the pit top, and signaled the descent of the workmen. Rosbath Safety Course Material. Health and Safety Executive Banksman's Signals Video. Durham Mining Museum Historic Use in Coal Industry. 2. Cornish tin mining terms. The Health and Safety Signs and Signals. The UK Health and Safety Signs and Signals Regulations 1996. Part 9 Minimum Requirements for Hand Signals.